boys and girls, it's Miss Pam. Hope you guys are doing well today. It is a little chilly outside and windy, so I thought I would take this opportunity to make some little math videos for you guys and to practice our counting. So what you're going to need for this activity is just a workspace. I have my whiteboard and I have a lot of pennies. So what I would like for you to do is put your pennies to the side because you're not going to use them right now. What you are going to do is put your eyes on the computer and you are going to help Miss Pam count by ones using her pennies. So are you ready to count with me? All right, let's make our first number with our first penny. So one penny here, so we're starting with number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's practice touch counting. Now remember, each time that we touch a penny, we say only one number. So we don't want to count faster than what we touch. All right, so you have to use your counting finger, okay? Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. I loved how you took your time, and each time that you touched a penny, you only said the number. Now we're going to continue counting. Now, if I stopped with the number 10, we have to think, what number comes after 10? If you can't remember, the strategy I always use is to go back to the beginning. So if you can't remember, let's just go back to the beginning and we'll just count on. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. And I'm going to make a new row. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's 20 pennies. Now I'm going to add 10 more pennies. 10 more pennies. Ms. Pam can't talk. Now I ended with the number 20. That's how many we have in all. So we have to think, what number comes after 20? Miles, what number do you think comes after 20? Try to picture that on your calendar. That's right. If you said 21, you're correct. So we're going to add another penny for 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Excellent job. So here we have all together 30 pennies, which actually equals 30 cents, doesn't it? All right, so I want you to get used to counting Grace and Miles, especially, it's important to use your calendars and to see the number, but it's also important that you are able to count in order, not seeing the numbers. It is also very important that when we count, we don't count faster than what we are touching. For example, we don't want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't want to get ahead of ourselves because then we would have the incorrect number of items that we're counting. So that's why we always want to take our time and say one number as we touch the object that we are counting. So let's finish our lesson with all three of us counting together. Okay? So if you do not have your pennies out like Miss Pam, it is okay. You can just count along with me. Or if you do have your pennies out, then you can count your pennies in the row that you made. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent job, guys. So remember, another thing that I wanted to remind you about is you always want to start and move from the left to the right. So when you get to the end, you don't want to go down and go from right to left. We always want to start at the very beginning of the next row when we come to the end. You always want to go to the beginning of the next row. It helps you with keeping order of what number comes next. And that's how we read, from left to right. Left to right. Left to right. Okay? All right, Mr. Miles and Miss Grace. I hope you guys have a great, great day. And maybe in a couple of weeks, Miss Pam will add some more pennies and we'll practice our touch counting with a higher number. I think you guys are going to be ready for it. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.